I'm Jessica, and today I'm going to show you how to make an origami butterfly. Okay, so in front of me I've got a 5x5 square piece of paper, but any size will work as long as it's square. That's the only thing that's important. The very first thing that we're going to start with is we're going to make a little plus sign with our folds. So we're going to take one side, we're going to just fold it over right in half, line it up with the other side as best we can. Then once we've got it lined up, we just crease that fold down nice and clean right there. Then we open it back up and we're going to do the other side. So we're going to take the opposite side, fold it down like that, line it up as best we can, and then again just crease that fold down. So now when we open it back up, we've got a nice plus sign folded into our paper. Next, we're going to flip it over. So we want the fold facing down now, and we're going to do diagonal folds to make an X across it. So we're going to take the corner, fold it over to the opposite corner here, line it up as best we can, and crease down that fold really nice again. Then we'll open it back up, do the same thing with the opposite corners. So we're going to take this corner, fold it over, line it up as best we can, and crease that fold down. So now when we open it back up, we've got still our same plus sign, but also this X here. And because we folded them on opposite sides, now the paper wants to do exactly what we need it to do, which is fold in. So we're going to take these two middle points right here on the sides, and we're going to just pull them together. The paper will naturally all go in together into this nice, clean little triangle. We'll just push everything down, slide down those folds again to get it to stay nice and flat. And we've got our little triangle here. Then we're going to take the side here, but we're only going to take one level of it. So we're going to leave this level flat here on the table still. We're going to just pick up this one and fold it in. So we're going to take this corner and line it up with the top of our triangle right there. So we're going to fold that in, line it up with the little middle crease that we'll have here. It'll be very faint, but you'll be able to see it in person. We're going to line that up and then crease that fold down really nicely. We want that one to stay in place, so you want to make sure it's nice and crisp. Then we'll do the same thing with the other side. So again, we're only going to pick up the top layer and we're going to fold it in, lining it up right next to that other one that we already did. So we're going to then line it up again, smooth it down really well so that it stays in place. And so now we've got this little diamond in the center of our triangle. Next, we're going to flip the whole thing over so that we just have another clean triangle looking at us. And then we're going to take the tip of the triangle and we're going to fold it over. What we want to do is make sure that there's a little bit of an overlap. A 1/4 inch will be enough. We just want it to cross over this straight line right here. We want there to be overlap. And then we want to also maintain these corners here. So this little fold that we have here will be a part of our end shape. So we don't want to flatten that out. So all you need to do is just flatten down the very center, like 1 inch in the middle of it there, just so that it holds its shape really well, but so that, again, we're not messing with the integrity of these folds right here. So then once we've got that nice and secure, we're going to flip it over one more time. And now we've got our little mini triangle sticking up over the top of ours. What we're going to do is we're going to just fold that right over this line here. So we're just going to take it, bend it down until it's creased over there really well. It won't stay super well, but we just want to get it as tight of a fold as possible so that it will help it take its shape until we do our final step, which is folding along this center line right here. So we're going to fold that in towards ourselves so that we get a nice flapping butterfly shape. So then you can just pinch it on the back here, make sure it holds its shape a little bit better. And then when we release that, you can see we've got this nice butterfly flying its wings. If yours does become loose, that's okay. You can always try and refold the back if you didn't get enough space there, and to get this little triangle to hang off a little bit more. The longer that is, the better it will hold its shape when you fold it over on the other side, and that will also make this fold a little bit better. So you're just trying to find the right balance between those two things. And then we've got our finished butterfly we can set right on the ground like that, and it's a nice 3D shape. And that's all that you need to do. Thanks for watching.